It was only 200.
And then you put your penis through there, and then what happens?
And then she goes under and milks you like you're a cow or something.
And you have to moo?
You don't.
Do you have to? How funny would that be?
That would be funny.
You don't have to move, but she
uses her hands or her mouth?
Anything.
But what did she use?
Is there a bucket?
Mouth
like
and hands. There was no bucket.
Is there a spit bucket?
Her mouth is the bucket.
Wait. You stick your dick through the thing. She jerks you off, and when it comes out, she gets some protein. What the fuck is going on?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think
She might have
that's
a protein
disgusting.
deficiency. She might have a deficiency. This might be a solution to her problem.
Yeah, that's a good